Welcome to Emilac Online Tutorial. Before us is this question in arithmetic progression. It says the third and the seventh term of an arithmetic progression AP are 3 plus 4 root 3 and 3 plus 12 root 3 respectively. Now find the fifth term of the AP. Alright, so how do we get started in doing this? First, let us recall that the nth term of an arithmetic progression is given as this. Now, where A is the first term, N is the number of term, and D is the common difference. Alright, now the first term here, the third term, as given by the question, will then be A plus 3 minus 1D, which will give us 3 plus 4 root 3, right? Now the second one, which is the seventh term, will be given as A plus the 7 minus 1 D, all equals to 3 plus 12 root 3. Alright, now, and this is for the fact that for the third term N is 3, and for the seventh term N is 7. Alright, let's make this equation 1 and let's make this equation 2. Alright, now let us solve. Now equation 1 will definitely give us A plus 3 minus 1 will give us 2. We have 2D, then equals to 3 plus 4 root 3. And the seventh term, which is the equation 2, will give us A plus 7 minus 1 will give us 6. Then we have 3 plus 12 root 3. Alright, to this end, let us subtract. Now, by subtracting 1 from 2, here we have 0. Here we have 6D minus 2D will give us 4D. Then equals 3 minus 3 will give us 0. Now plus, now since here these surd or irrational numbers are having the same surd value, that is root 3, so we can subtract. So 12 root 3 minus 4 root 3 will give us 8 root 3. Alright, to this end, let's divide both sides by 4. So our D, 4 here, 1, 4 here, then we have 2 here. So here you have our 2 root 3. Alright, to this end, now that we've gotten the common difference, now let us now plug in the value of D into either of this equation, 1 or 2. Alright, let us plug in into 1. So here we have that A plus 2 then into 2 root 3 now equals 3 plus 4 root 3. Okay, so to this end you have A plus 2 multiplied whatever is in the bracket, we have 4 root 3, then which will give us 3 plus 4 root 3. Now you can see here from this end here you have A. Now let's just subtract 4 root 3 from both sides. Alright, so to this end we can see here that our A will then become 3. Okay, that is, this one will be 0, this one will be 0, so we are left with A equals 3. Now let us find the fifth term. Now bringing down the same equation. So to this end, for the fifth term as required by the question, we have A plus 5 minus 1 D. This time our N is 5, so here you have A plus what, 4 D. Now let us plug in the value of A, which is 3. Now plus the value of D, which is 2 root 3. So our final answer for the fifth term will now be 3 plus 8 root 3. Alright, If you love what I've just done, subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics and chemistry. Thank you and God bless you.